Here at the nursery of Scott Seed Company. This is where they produce seeds, the mother plants. And over there is Coby Kriegshauzer and his brother Chuck, the breeder. This is 505, Coby?
Yeah, this is 505.
This is what you sent us to the Philippines, right?
Yes, it is.
And we produced quite,
Yeah,
taller actually. Why is yours shorter than ours?
it's, has a lot to do with the day length, with the tropical, location that you're at.
But we produce quite well.
Yes.
Here, what's your average production per hectare?
It all depends. We're a very dry climate, so if you're talking about dry land, you could be anywhere from 2,000 to 6,000 pounds per acre. It just depends on the season.
Okay, so this is 505. This is one of the more successful varieties that you sent us to do trials.
Yes.
And the other would be 504 times 15.
Yes.
Right. So this is mainly grains. Over there, Coby,
Yes.
what's that over there? The tall grass.
All that over there is the sorghum Sudan grass. We use that it's sorghum Sudan grass and forage sorghums. We use that for haying and grazing, cut for silage. For the feed yards, dairies, cattle guys that are out there, they can do whatever they want to with it. And then a lot of this stuff is also planted as a green manure. They'll let it get up that tall and then they'll plow it in, so it kind of loosens up that soil, and it's a good cover crop if you want to keep something there on the.
How is its nutrition value compared to the Napier that we have in Asia?
I don't really know about the Napier, but all of these are totally different. This one right here is not that high in nutrition, but the next one over there is. So it depends on variety to variety on nutrition wise. But we're not familiar with Napier, so we don't know kind of how that is. But we know that you can plant this and you can harvest it for 2-3 times.
And for you, it would be
3-4 times.
I would say 5 times.
Yeah.
5 times. So they're attuned. They're attuned.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. And it'll all look like that right there. So that'll get up there, head out in 60 days. And
In 60 days, huh?
60 days, it'll start putting head on it. You cut it, bale it up, turn the water back on, or get it rain, it grows. And then 45
days later, you cut it again.
Cut it again, 45 days later, cut it again, 45 days later, cut it again.
All right. So this, my friends, is the sorghum variety, which we may be planting in the Philippines, and we're getting the seeds here from Scott Seed Company. We're hoping that with sorghum, we will be able to complement our grains production in Mindanao and support our poultry and livestock program, even our cattle program, because the stocks, ito, pagkatapos anihin yan, pwede pang i-silage yan and ipakain sa baka or sa kalabaw or sa kambing. So here we are in the middle of Texas, Hereford, in our continuing effort to discover what could be good for Philippine agriculture. Kailangan po nating ipagpatuloy yung pananaliksik. Ano ba maganda gawin para sa agrikultura ng Pilipinas? Ako po si Manny Piñol, ang inyong dating kalihim ng agrikultura, dating chairman ng Mindanao Development Authority, higit sa lahat, magsasaka. Nangangarap ng isang maunlad na Pilipinas sa pamamagitan ng agrikultura at pangingisda. Sila po ay may-ari ng Scott Seed Company. It's a family-owned company. That's Coby Kriegshauzer over there. His brother Chad, then Chuck, yung mga breeders. And dito po yung kanilang nursery dito sa Amarillo, Texas. And dito po nila sinusubukan yung ibang variety ng sorghum according to the purpose that they would like to produce it. Merong pang silage o papakain sa baka, merong production ng grains, merong pang silage lang talaga purely, at merong dual purpose silage and grains. So ganyan po sila kaseryoso sa kanilang trabaho. Makikita nyo puro ito sorghum. What variety is this, Chuck?
This is 522 by 15. This is a new variety that we are going to start producing. The main purpose for it here in the United States and Mexico and other locations is that it is sorghum. It is sugarcane aphid tolerant.
What did you say?
Sugarcane aphids.
Oh, aphids.
It is
Yeah. All right.
tolerant to the
Okay.
sugarcane aphids.
So what's the main purpose? Grains or
This is for
silage?
grain. Yes.
All right.
We
So
want to send some of this to you guys.
all right.
This looks very good everywhere.
Yeah. So this is quite a wide field for only one variety, huh?
Yes.
Okay. So makikita po ninyo, ito po yung isa sa mga varieties na rekomendado nila para sa Pilipinas. And napakapalad po natin sapagkat naging kaibigan ko to si Coby, si Chad, sa tulong po ng ating Agriculture Attache noong araw, si Joy Javelosa, when I was DA Secretary. And I have continued this friendship with this family. And I believe that this relationship with them will actually boost our grains industry in the Philippines. We will learn from them. We will benefit from the research that they've been making all of these years. It's a 75-year-old company. And they're so gracious and so benevolent in helping us develop our own sorghum industry in the Philippines, and would like to thank this family for helping us out.
This is an experimental variety. This is going to be 522 by 65, and this is a brachytic silage sorghum. It is leaves packed very tightly together, very short.
Ideal for silage.
This is ideal for silage. You have lots of leaf to grain ratio.
But it has a lot of grains too.
Yes, it has a very high yield of grain, adding to the nutritional value of it.
What's the maturity period?
Probably for your location, it would be somewhere around 65 days
To flowering.
mid-bloom. And so for silage, add another 30 days to that. So you'd be looking at about 90, 95 days.
The same as 505.
Yes.
Okay. Wow. It's great. And it has more.
Now,
it has
in your
more leaves.
location, it won't react quite the same as it does here because of the day length. So you won't experience the short internodes, and most certain you will not.
What did you say again this variety is?
It is 522 by 65.
522 by 65. Ito po yung isang tinitingnan natin kasi ang hinahanap nating variety ng sorghum, yung maraming grains para sa ating manok, feeds ng baboy. At the same time, dapat maraming dahon kasi gagamitin natin yung dahon sa paggawa ng silage para sa ating mga baka. At ito pong variety na ito ay recommended nila sapagkat makapal yung dahon at marami ding grains. So, dual purpose. And we will continue to explore. Wala hong katapos ang pag-aaral to para sa kaunlaran ng agrikultura ng Pilipinas. Dito po sa Hereford, Texas, Manny Piñol po.